Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find cheap flights on Expedia. Whether you're planning a vacation or a business trip, knowing how to search strategically can save you hundreds of dollars on airfare. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to expedia.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After signing in, you'll see the main navigation menu at the top of the page. Click on Flights to access the flight search interface. Now you'll need to select your trip type. You'll see options for round trip, one-way, or multi-city. Choose whichever option fits your travel plans. This is where things get interesting because if you want cheaper flight prices on Expedia, the timing of your booking is very important. Let me share some key tips with you. For domestic flights, the best time to book is about 1 to 3 months before your travel date. For international flights, you'll want to book about 2 to 8 months before departure. This window is when airlines typically offer the most competitive pricing. Also, try to fly midweek. Tuesday or Wednesday flights are often cheaper than weekend departures. And whatever you do, avoid last-minute booking as prices skyrocket when you're close to your travel date. Now let's continue with the search. Type your departure city or airport into the leaving from field. Then type your arrival city or airport into the going to field. Make sure you're selecting the correct airports, especially if your city has multiple options. Next, select your departure date and return date using the calendar that appears. Click on the dates that work for your schedule. After that, click the Travelers drop-down. Here you can adjust the number of passengers by clicking the minus and plus buttons for adults, children, infants on lap, and infants in seat. Once you've set the correct number of travelers, click Done. Now click the search button and wait for a few seconds while the page loads. Expedia will generate all available flight options based on your criteria. This might take a moment as the system searches through multiple airlines and routes. Once the results appear, navigate to Sort by Recommended in the right panel and click it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Low to High. This will reorganize all the flights from cheapest to most expensive, making it much easier to spot the best deals. Browse through the departing flights list. When you find one that fits your budget and schedule, click Select in the right panel to proceed. You'll then see the returning flights options. Browse through these as well, and once you've chosen your return flight, click Select in the right panel to proceed. Wait for a few seconds while the page loads your selections. Now take a moment to review all your trip details carefully. Check the dates, times, airlines, and total price to make sure everything is correct. When you're satisfied, click Checkout in the right panel, then click Continue to Checkout. You'll be taken to the payment page where you'll need to fill out your debit or credit card number, expiration month and year, as well as the security code. Also fill out your billing address, including city, state, and zip code. Scroll down and click Complete Booking. Your flight reservation will be processed and you'll receive a confirmation email shortly. And there you have it. You've successfully booked a cheap flight on Expedia by following these strategic steps. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.